More test test. There we go. Good morning, everybody. We're live. We're live. Morning, Thomas, Chris. Waterfall, thank you for the dono. Stocks only go up. Stay positive. WPF to the moon. Here I am, banana ape gang. Good morning, William. Radio check. Let's go, guys. We got some news for GameStop for the from the Bronx live. East Coast with the West Coast family. We like to stonk. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm still trying to set up all of this. All right, let's go. Good morning, Gilbert. Good morning, guys. We got some news. We got 26 minutes before the market opens. Let's cover all of this. We got new executives. Let me see. I could find it probably on Thinkorswim. Let's see. Pull up Twitter really quick. Guys, today's the third bridge event going on with GameStop. Does anyone know what time 200 London is? Is that like 12 here? 200 London. I mean 220. What is that? 12, 20, 200. 200 London. Oh, 12. 12 Pacific. Yeah, TJ, I don't know what's going on. YouTube is playing games with us. Good morning, Keith. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back. What's going on with Tesla? What is it at 6 something? 601. There's an error on the stream. Just got the noti. Yeah, sometimes the noties go out at different times. It's kind of weird. All right, where's that news? I'm surprised it's not on Twitter. Let's see. By the time I got the notification last night, I already had 210 comments. Tesla's not at 42. Absolutely not. That's 601. You guys fool me sometimes, but I know, I know. Yeah, the Toyota news too. There's a lot of news, even with Volkswagen. I think they're gonna rebrand, which is, I believe, absolutely clever, to Volts with a T, Volkswagen. All right, there we go. Tesla Cybertruck production could begin in June, finally. Unveiled in 2019. Funny how you pull up Tesla news and GameStop comes up. GameStop shares trade slightly higher. What? Probably under the same article, that's why. Most other Wall Street bet Reddit shares did not show any major price movements in early trading activity. And this is for today. AMC was flat, and so was BlackBerry. RKT nearly up 2%. Oh, let's not forget Discovery and VIAC, Viacom. 46 still. Hmm. You guys think we pull it's this guy. You guys think we pull back even more on these on both of these songs? Should I wait? Should we be patient? I appreciate that, Finlay. Rigo, welcome back. What's up? Welcome to the fam. Oh, I need to sneeze again. Oh, absolutely, TJ. It's way riskier, in my opinion. I'm pretty sure if I hop in, it's gonna pull uneven back. It's gonna pull more back. Let's peep Fentel really quick. Let's just take a little peep. Let's see, let's see. That's a good question, Kevin. Requesting physical shares. I don't know the answer to that, actually. Does anyone have the answer to that? I've heard of it, but I've never really looked into it. Because no one really requests physical shares. That's a good question. Yeah, there's Tesla news out. There's a lot of news out today. Yeah, that's a great question, right, TJ? That's a really good question. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. I think I saw that somewhere. Someone asked that question. They haven't issued physical shares in years. You can get some printed up, I suppose, but they went with the reg registration. I found the news article, by the way, straight from GameStop website. Investor relations. Today announced that it appointed Elliot, probably gonna mispronounce his last name, Wilk, right? Elliot. Let me pull this up really quick for you guys. There we go. Start date is April 5th. April 5th as Chief Growth Officer. I've never heard of that. Chief Growth Officer. Brings 2 decades of decades of branding, consumer goods, and e-commerce experience to GameStop. He joins from Amazon. He joins from Amazon, where he spent the past 7 years holding a variety of senior roles across segments such as Amazon Fresh, Prime Pantry, and worldwide private brands. He began his career at Procter & Gamble and spent more than a decade in brand manager and marketing roles of increasing responsibility. At GameStop, Mr. Hopefully I'm pronouncing his name right, Wilk will oversee growth and growth strategy and marketing with a focus on increasing customer loyalty and growth to the reach of Power Up Rewards and Game Informer. Uh, you wanna? There we go. Where did I leave off? He will also work with other leaders on initiatives that include expanding the company's use of customer insights and metrics to optimize channel marketing. And then you also got Tom Peterson and Andrea Wolf, Vice President of Merchandising and Vice President of Brand Development. Oh, she came from Chewy. She came from Chewy. I'm just finding this out, guys. This is my first time reading this. I heard about the Elliot first. Oh, this is not AMC. I'm sorry. Good morning. Good morning. Drive vendor relations, product management, and related merchandise initiatives. Oh, he started yesterday, March 29. I don't know about SOS actually. Let me save this really quick. Guys, didn't we talk about SOS a while ago, calling it a scam? It was a scam and it was very sketchy. I think we talked about that. I was really scared to touch SOS for that same reason. I didn't do the DD on this. It was brought to me, and as I just heard that, I was like, you know, I'm not gonna touch it. Why risk it? Good morning, Eric. Offering. Offering. It's pulling on back. Such this disappointing. I actually like this pattern. Technical. I like the technicals, but failed breakout. Yeah, direct offering. SOS just dumped. I wouldn't. Mm-mm. Morning. Good morning. It's a scam, but all the crypto is scam kind of. You just gotta stop believing in these white papers and blockchain products. So I used to think you were really annoying, but you're my favorite stock YouTuber now. You're really funny. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Barry, good morning. What do you think about AMC? About the volume on AMC? You mean pre-market? Not moving much, basically? Do you think we have another day of trading sideways today? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. We need some momentum, man. I die watching these stocks just trade sideways. I mean, there's nothing wrong with consolidating and finding support, but I'd rather much have it push up, guys. Matt, good morning, bro. Okay. Get the screen. Weiler, let's go. Matt Pump, baby. Thank you for the donor. I appreciate that. You guys don't have to donate. Don't donate. Buy some stonks. Bond yield. What's the 10 year at? 10? No, 10. I'm crazy. 1.7? 1.72 is my guess. Let's see. 10-year Tresh. 1.749. How's NASDAQ? I always feel like I look at the 1 minute on NASDAQ and I haven't zoomed out. Let's see. All right, we got a lot of trend lines, a lot of circles. Let's remove this. Remove, 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 move this. This. There we look. It looks cleaner, right? Underestimate, lower highs. If we do crack 12, what's my daily at? It's looking a little toppy, but it's consolidating around the same range we were trading back, what, like December, January? Apart from this high here. With these margin calls, I don't know. It's isn't there supposed to be another bill coming out next month? Some more stimulation. House spy. I don't know. I just don't want to catch the top. I'm scared to buy at the top. Look at this. Spy is near its highs. Spy is near its highs. I've always heard, time in the market beats timing the market, but I'm a day trader at heart, man. I like day trading, and it's hard. It takes my patience to hold. Even with this GameStop AMC situation, I don't think I've ever held a stock this long. Even with my Tesla, like it's topping, bro. That's what I think. I have a feeling if I buy, I'm pretty sure it's in the tank. Like that's knowing my luck. I buy and it's in a pullback, and there I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, no. There's a quote. Is it Isaiah or Isaiah? That says I think it's about Warren Buffett. You can't really time the top or the bottom. So that's where that saying comes from. You're better off having time in the market, holding for years basically. Time in the market beats timing the market. You get that? Is that clear? Yeah, I don't another Robert B. There we go. Robert B's in the house. Holding back suck, yeah. That's why I'm very patient, especially with Tesla too. I don't wanna do the same mistake I did last time. Hop into aggressive too quick. That's a no-no. Ben Graham. I don't know actually who it was. I thought it was Warren Buffett actually. Or maybe even like Charlie Munger. I don't know. So Ragnar, AM Aaron, good morning. Morning, Vincent. So I was reading some of the comments you guys left yesterday on the video, and some of you guys received the call. You guys know how we called that one number, the scam, the AMC voting scam, how they reached out to you guys. Some of you guys actually received the call after watching the video. I believe even before the video. I thought it was pretty interesting. Oh my God. Is this just now? SpaceX Starship fails in test flight. Is this just breaking news or no? No, probably not. It should be over here. Lucid 330. Hmm. I need to see a video of the explosion. Did it explode? Yeah, there goes Tesla, right? This just came out 11 minutes ago. Oh, there it is. It's live actually on SpaceX's Twitter. They're live. 7,500 people watching. Let me see if I can find the video. What do we got? 9 minutes? Wait, what? It blew up midair, but it was foggy. Yeah, the live right here they have going on, it's very foggy. Look at this, guys. It's very foggy. I can't even see anything. Guys, this is the rocket right here in the middle. You could barely see it. T minus 3. You could barely see it. Oh, Rick, you're watching it live? Uh, yeah, I can't even see anything. Why is Chipotle pumping Bitcoin? What? Oh, good morning, good morning. Guys, I can't believe the market is closed Friday. Damn it. Can't believe it's closed Friday. What are we gonna do? Space is fake? What do you mean? Oh, Trey uploaded a video. Let's see. Seems like it's about his health. Joel, I emailed Third Bridge, I believe was the company, right? Third Bridge. I don't think I've received an email. I don't know if I'm gonna receive an email by then. They're probably gone blown up. Knowing how the earnings call went, how the call how it was maxed out, people weren't able to get in. I'm sure I possibly won't get a reply. I like to stay optimistic, but time's closing in. I think it's in 6 hours, and I haven't received. I'm checking my emails right now, and I haven't received anything. There's nothing unless somebody else is able to acquire that link or that call. I don't know. But that I believe it's Power Hour. Let me check. Let me check. Let me recheck this. It's Third Bridge. Market opens in 5 minutes. Let me see. Third Bridge Forum team. Wait. 3 p.m. Eastern, right? Correct, right? So that should be 12 here. I think it is 12, yeah. Third Bridge. I thought the SLR program ends tomorrow. I think for Third Bridge, guys, I think you might have to pay. I think this is what it is. It says sign up, request trial access. I don't think I requested a trial. Maybe that's why I haven't received an email. What starts at 3 p.m. The event with Third Bridge and Gamestop, they're going to be discussing the transformational shift to e-commerce. I think this is what we were expecting on the call, especially with the Q&A, that's taking place via Third Bridge. I don't know why I can't get access to this. This is not. They should have it open to the public. Thomas, yeah, I'll see you back. Kramer's getting you, right? Kramer got you with the connection. Is Viacom a good buy right now? Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but to me, I'm super close to pulling the trigger on Viacom and Disca and Viacom. I have my alerts ready just in case it pulls back even more, but let's see. Sends. I don't like sends. Literally a barcoding. I don't like this momentum. Unless you're trading it for off of fundamentals. 4 hour, I see a massive head and shoulders. Left shoulder here at around 350. Head at 590. Right shoulder back again at 350. It might pull on back. It's under EMA on the 4. My double bottom here at 209. Of course, 209 is what? So close to the whole number at 2. I wouldn't necessarily pull the trigger right now, actually, on sends. I don't like it. It's a no for me. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Here we go. Thomas, good morning. I missed you. Kramer was pumping GameStop this morning. Really? I think GameStop held back on the updates during the earnings report, so any bad news didn't overshadow what they plan to announce tonight. It could have been for any reason. We honestly don't know. It's all speculation at this point, but hopefully we hope for the best. And I think they're gonna drop some bombs, guys. I think Ryan Cohen is pulling strings. I think he knows what he's even with the 10K, man. I think even I believe people were saying that it was pre-recorded. Um, that's why also there was no Q&A at the end because it was pre-recorded. But even with the whole marketing situation with GameStop's website, absolutely brilliant. Have you guys taken a peep at their shop on the GameStop website? Go take a look at their merchandise. Crazy. The market is crashing. The calm before the storm, absolutely. Here we go. That's why we saw that slight push with the 3 new executives at 193 here at GameStop pre-market. Slight reaction, but hopefully we have a massive push at open. That's what we're hoping for. Um, let me check. Let me check, Joe. Let me check Weeble. I have way too many tabs open right now. I didn't even get to take a look at Finto. I have one Weeble. So shout out to whoever used my sign up link. You guys helped me become one share closer to becoming the CEO of course, WPF. And as we patiently wait for the market to open in 13 seconds, we are not going to unbox this Weeble share until later. Prepare the rocker boosters. Here we go. Strap on, put your helmets on, got your headset, got your coffee in one hand, your candle in the other. Market open. Let's go. Let's go. All right, AMC, pretty strong open, I would say. Oh, my alert always goes off at market open. I hate how it does that. Why can't it go off pre-market, man? Why can't I just wake up at 3 in the morning and just see that alert? Let's go. NASDAQ, okay, okay. I ordered the Mooncalf shirt from GameStop. Absolutely. I think I did too. I forgot what shirt I ordered from GameStop, but I highly recommend you go check out their website. And if you like the stock, support it. Oh, GameStop pulling back. You guys think we'll trade sideways at 180 the entire week except Friday? From the looks of it, we still have these higher lows here, 162, 176. So if this is going to be the case today and we are going to hold higher lows, it has to hold above 180, I would say, guys. This level right here, 180, is what we need to hold today. If tomorrow we are going to see a breakout, which AMC is not holding, guys. Pulling back on the 5. Is that the similar situation with the higher low? Slightly, indeed it is. Higher lows are on 1030, so let's hold these levels. We have to hold these levels today. Yeah, markets closed Friday. I knew that. That's why when I say the whole week, I mean knowing Thursday. So for the weeklies, I believe the options expired Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. If I am not mistaken, here we go. As aggressive as the pullbacks, like always, on the upside and the downside, the reversal, the bounce, the pullbacks are like magnified. They're really aggressive, and GameStop is showing it right here. Look at this. We had the spike from 189 all the way down to 184, and that bounce from 184 all the way to 187. That's insane. AMC is pulling back. If you invested $1,000 in AMC 1 year ago, here's how much you have now. Hmm. I look exactly the same every I look exactly the same every day. I need a haircut. That's what it is. I need a haircut. I've just been all over the place. I feel like I'm watching an old stream and always gotta double check. No, this is pre-recorded. Very pre-recorded. The real Ralph is somewhere else. This is the fake Ralph. I don't know what the real Ralph is doing right now. 0 dislikes on the video. Oh, that's not good. 0 dislikes? That's not good. Kramer is still asleep then. What's your PayPal? Nope. I don't take any donos. Use that money, buy some GameStop merch, support the company, buy some stonk, support AMC. Go watch it. Go use that money. Go watch Kong vs. Godzilla. I'm excited for that. I forgot that's coming out tomorrow. Actually, I think that movie's coming out tomorrow, and I'm excited. It's just the uniform. This is Rafiki. Oh my gosh, he's at the beach probably. I don't know what the real Ruff is doing. Stroking his candle. Oh, come on, guys. This is pre-recorded. He's on the moon. The real Ruff is playing the PS5 with his cousins. Hmm. Oh, Kevin, I appreciate that. All right, here we go. Usually with GameStop, we see a more of an aggressive push above EMA or a market open, and then it pulls back, test EMA. But as of now, we haven't yet seen that aggressive push just yet. Let's wait. Colby, thank you for the dono. We'd like to stock as my market open alarm ringtone. I would hate to just wake up and hear Kramer's voice. Can you imagine that? Like, I already have to deal with my wife's boyfriend waking me up every morning, but Kramer, come on. I appreciate the dono though. Maybe one day I'll switch to my ringtone. I don't even have a ringtone. Maybe one day. I appreciate that, Colby. The real Ralph is on his way to CEO of WPF. Tesla 597. I don't even want to check Tesla anymore. I don't want to play with you anymore, Tesla. You're playing with me? I'm trying to check the news out. There was a Toyota news, right, guys? I think it came out yesterday night. Or was it this morning? Toyota. Where is it at? Double bottom at 595. It can get ugly, guys. Tesla honestly can get ugly. And this is somebody who's stuck with 10 shares at 577. Why? Because I can never wait on Tesla. And patience. This is what happens when you don't wait. I get clapped. I get wrecked. It could double bottom at 557 and then it could come down to 500. Oh. All right, some consolidation, some support at 1025. I'll take it for AMC. I'll take it. Granted, if you look at the bigger picture, the uptrends are still there. Same thing with GameStop. Let's hold 180s. I don't have a PayPal play. I don't think so. Tesla is scary. Yeah. My body's ready for Tesla every single day. Rip Tesla. You guys are trolling me. What did I say this morning? Wait, you meant 420 or 42? I think you meant 420. Oh shoot. Is that Tesla alert old? Yeah, it is. All right, there's that first push above EMA for GameStop. That first rally. I don't want to necessarily call it a rally actually, unless it goes above 190 right now. Market makers, if you're watching this, Kramer, pump it, pump it, pump it, baby. Come on, AMC, follow along. Come on, wake up. AMC needs some coffee. What do you guys think? 1020s? It's going the wrong way. It's going the wrong way. 190. There we go. All right. But just as aggressively as we have these pushes, guys, these pullbacks are like the same magnitude. That's what 191. All right. All right. Okay. I could feel the cabin pressure rising. All right, here we go. Shoulders relax, head back. Ooh, let's go, let's go. 190. AMC, you're going the wrong way, man. What are you doing? 192. Pamp it. It's a new high of, it's 200 a meme. Robert, if Tesla goes to 42, I'm selling everything. If Tesla goes to $42, I'm selling everything and I'm going all in on Tesla. Here we go. We hit what, 193? Oh my gosh. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Higher lows. This is the trend we need to continue. Beautiful. This right here. Beautiful. This helps us out. We have cushion for what? A cushion for a pullback. Obviously, we want to break past this 194, which is literally, I would consider a triple top. So if we can break that resistance, guys, 200 is the, not, I don't want to say the limit. 200 is the next level of resistance we have. Above 200, of course, 220s. And I believe 220s was that first initial level of resistance. We were fighting back. I forgot when. Well, I think we just hit a new high. Triple top right there. Triple top breakout. Look at this. I can't make this up. It literally just got rejected off my alert. Break above, baby. You have that power. Here comes AMC above EMA. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. Yes. All right, all right. It got rejected right on my alert. 195.90. Triple top. Come on, don't pull back yet. Go extendo. Parabolic. Let's go. I love you, AMC. You're following along finally. But this triple top, you guys see this? It's not very much apparent on the 40-minute, on the 4-hour actually, like how it is on the 30-minute right here. Triple top 196. Again, higher lows, ascending triangle forming. Let's see if we continue this momentum here. Market open. Literally 9 minutes. I love this price action. I love it. Time to play the song we like to stonk. Yeah, I'll YOLO my life on Tesla. We hit $42 on it. I'll sell my computer. I'll sell everything. I won't go live for like a month. Of course, I will not. I'll never sell Jamer though. Jamer's coming with me. He's coming with me to the moon. 196. Here we go. $200 is the next level of resistance. We're $3 away. Come on. $3 away. 42? What do you guys mean 42? Oh, for Tesla, 42? Yeah. 198. Oh my gosh. Oh, 199. 201. We're going parabolic right now. AMC, follow along. Use this momentum. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But remember, guys, as aggressively as we have these pushes, these pullbacks are the same magnitude. But if the strength is there, this candle is very bullish, by the way. It's going bullish. Look at this. Look at this. This is the bullish candle. New high. Yes, baby. Come on. I think we need some hype in this. Oh. Huge green candle. Yeah, the momentum on these candles is insane. This volume came out of nowhere. I think this is the pre-event, pre-third bridge hype, pre-third bridge pump. A new high is not a meme. What's going on, Jen? AMC, what are you doing? Oh, AMC's following. AMC's creeping. Play our theme song. What's the next level of resistance after 200? 220. 220. Every time I see the new executive, Elliot, I'm pronouncing his last name right. Wilk. I think of Elliot Wave. I keep seeing Elliot Wave instead of his name. I see Elliot Wave. What's going on, Robert? Where are all my Roberts at? Where are all my Roberts at? I think the song we like to stock is it's bad luck. I think it's bad luck. There's a huge wall at 200. I mean, we broke past 200 to 22, but 220s is the next real test. Oh, all my Roberts are here. Robert B, Robert Landa. Here we go. Every time you play it, it pulls back. Yeah, watch. I'm gonna play the song, and GameStop might pull back. Yeah, this is bad luck. I'm telling you. I love the Robert roll call. It needs to be a daily thing. If GameStop breaks 220, it's out of here. Yeah, if GameStop breaks 220, it's gonna fly. Fly, baby. I'm telling you, this Kramer song's bad luck. This is not the national anthem anymore. This is not the anthem. It's killing it. Ralpha, do more education videos. I have my Thinkorswim set up like you have it. Do you like it? Do you like the setup? Do you guys like the setup I have here? I know the majority of other people use like Webull, but my eyes don't like that. My eyes don't like the Webull. I doesn't like the candles. I don't know. I guess I just like the colors on it. I don't know. Yeah, big red candle on AMC and GameStop. Thanks to Kramer. I like that Me Kevin song by The Dip. It's very catchy. It's not the best song out there, but for some reason it sticks in my head. Uh, I like the. It's not the SoundCloud one. Sink or swim. Let me see. No, no, that's not. Maybe that might be the new anthem. But guys, just like any other day when GameStop rallies, which I believe last Thursday was the day we had that crazy push, it balances off EMA. That's the thing we notice. On days where strength is there, we bounce on EMA. It's a pullback, but the real test comes here at the EMA at the blue line. Watch the blue line, guys. Blue line is probably one of my favorite indicators, also known as the exponential moving average. I have it set at 13. I think the most popular EMA is 9. 9 EMA. I have 13. I don't know. I think just got used to 13. So I just used 13. All right, look there. It's coming back. Here comes the real test. The real test is here. 5-minute EMA is at 190. We have some cushion for a pullback. Still have the higher lows. This reminds me of the first initial push we had back in here. What is this? Early March? Early March, maybe even mid-March? No, early March. These higher lows right here. And then boom, we broke out. So I could kind of see that forming here. But again, this was over a longer period of time than what's happening right now. What's happening right now is just quicker. All right, look, we're testing EMA. Quicker and faster. AMC, 1045. Of course, the next level of resistance is what, guys? 1050. 1050. That's the next level of resistance. As soon as Kramer said GameStop, we started pulling. Is Kramer on CNBC talking about GameStonk? Let's see it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. With respect. No. Nah, they're not even on there. He's not even on there. Oh, we're coming, Gabriel. We're coming. $10.50 is not a meme. I don't think so. We're at 1049. $10.50 is definitely not a meme. GameStop is still trying to catch itself and find some support here at 194. I wouldn't mind it holding 194. Of course, we've only tested that for like, what, 4 minutes? So let's see. 1050 is not a meme. 1050 is not a meme. 1052. Alrighty. I could kind of see that cup and handle breakout forming up to back to 1150s. That's the level we're going for. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Testing 194 again. Yeah, above 1050. GameStop pulling back. Oh my God, I hate the EMA test. Remember, just as aggressive as we have these pushes up, guys, these green candles, the red candles match it and are as aggressive on the way down. So we're testing 190, which is the EMA. Let's see if we bounce off of that. As for AMC, it's most likely going to follow GameStop. Most likely. Look at these pullbacks. This is crazy. Kramer actually switched his opinion on Twitter. Let's see. Let's see. Let's also peep Finto while we're at it. Let's peep it. Let's see. Let's see. 190s. Here we go. 5 minute. 5 minute EMA. Was I look up Kramer, right? Kramer. See what he's saying. It's scared of the $200 mark. As of now, AMC is holding slightly stronger than GameStop, being above EMA. Jim Cramer said, I am too young to work at GameStop. He says, I'm too young. And he said, GameStop putting together a dream team. Really impressive. They must have a plan that is not what we see now. And then he tweeted 3 hours ago, you gotta admit, GameStop is putting together a first-rate team of hitters. Heavy hitters, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Ariana, I appreciate that. You are the reason I get up early every morning. I love you. Oh, I appreciate that, Ariana. I truly do. Here we are with GameStop at 190, which, if you look on the 5, we're at the EMA. We're at the EMA. We should be bouncing. Come on. Bounce off at 190. This is already over. I don't like these candles. Oversold on the 5. I don't like that. Should bounce. Come on, bounce. Give us a bounce. Another manipulation. I don't know, honestly. At this point, anything can be all manipulation, even on the way up. Even these pumps could be manipulation. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? I think we're just in between two Godzilla and King Kong. We're in between these hedgies trying to take each other out. That's what I think. And we're just here for the ride. No, AMC's testing, yes. Another thing I think is even these hedgies going short, I think they're also going long. That's what I think. What do you guys think? Ralph needs to change his last name to Buffett. Ralph Buffett. That too. Owen, I definitely keep that on watch. The negative beta, which wasn't unsettled yesterday, was like negative 23. But then again, somebody else corrected it saying it was -7, which is still pretty darn ridiculous. -7. Ralph Buffett. No, it's Rafiki Buffett. That's a pretty dope name. Rafiki Bucket. I mean, Bucket. What the heck? Rafiki Buffett. Oh no, guys, we're not bouncing. And this is definitely every GameStop pullback, it's gonna affect AMC. As much as you hate it, you gotta just accept it, man. They're both like this. Technically correlated. You can't do anything about it. Honestly, I'm not worried. I actually like that they're technically correlated. Rafiki Jamer Buffett. Maybe if GameStop hits 300 today, I'll change my legal name to that. Right? What do you guys think? Oh my God, I'm scared to check Tesla, man. I'm scared. Oh, you're killing me, Tesla. I remember those days, man, where if you zoom out on the uptrend, it was so easier to trade it up here. And then I started struggling day trading Tesla as it was pulling back. The bounces are not just as aggressive anymore. They're not there. I mean, look at this rejection on EMA all morning. I'm gonna set my alert. If this goes off, I'm gonna start swinging. I'm gonna start swinging or something. I don't know. Let's go 580s. Please don't go off. And that's kind of what I mean with you guys saying, "Oh, how do I gain more experience understanding the candles, the charts?" It's like I know you probably don't want to hear this answer, but just wake up every day and look at the market. When you watch a stock every single day and you're day trading it, you understand it. You start to become the candle. You become the green and red candle. As crazy and as as that sounds, I don't know another words to put it. You become the stock. You become the stock. Where's Jamer this morning? He's always watching me right here. He's watching me. I feel like we should have him right here on my shoulder or something. I think I should get him implanted on my shoulder. 420 is the real test. Kevin's like, now I understand why. Kevin says now he understands why he looks green. Why he looks green. That's funny. You become a crayon. That's what happens, guys. We're back down to mark where we opened at 186. We're back at 186. But again, I'm not too worried. I'm not worried. If you look on the five, you see this beautiful uptrend. If it comes down under 176 today, that's where I'm gonna be worried. And look at this. Look at this 5 minute. Where's my bounce at? Where's the bounce? This is insane. You become the crayon. Like a pirate with the parrot, absolutely. Except it's me with Jamer. Me with Jamer. 1020s. How's the market? Yeah, I forgot to peep NASDAQ. Red. Red. That's all I can say. Where's my heat map? Heat map doesn't update for like five until like 5 minutes from now. Let's see. This is way oversold on the five. There we go. There's my green current on the five. If we're gonna be pulling back from 202 to 186 on the five, I better see a massive aggressive bounce, GameStop. Come on. McChewy27, thank you for the dono. Buying the dips, check. Drinking some Heinekens, check. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Holding prices, ain't going nowhere. I appreciate the dono, McChewy. Always coming through. We're holding, baby. See this here? I don't know if you guys can see it. Diamond hands. That's what's happening. These hedgies, baby. You're watching this on your golden toilets. Catch these diamond hands because we're coming for you. We're coming for your golden toilets. I want your golden toilet. I appreciate the dono, McChewy, by the way. I truly do. What's up with PayPal, guys? Oh, you guys are scaring me. Apple down 1.5. Facebook flat. Bill Gates is down 1%, 1%. Tesla, okay, slight reversal. AMC 1022. GameStop still no bounce, guys. No bounce yet. What's PayPal sticker? PYPL, right? Literally huge head and shoulders on the daily. Resistance 250s, of course, half dollar. If it comes down to 226, it's gonna collapse down to 200. That's what I think. What is this earnings on when? 428. Got some time. Uh, I don't like it. Roblox. Who here is holding Roblox still? Roblox. Not me. I don't have any Roblox. Nope. Oh, I can see agency pulling back on my peripheral vision. 1016. If you invested X 1 year ago today, how much is it worth today? What kind of kindergarten you say? I don't know. It was on here somewhere. Here it is. If you invested $1,000 into AMC stock 1 year ago, here's how much you have now. $10.07. Hmm. We're back in this. We're still stuck in this range, guys. So yesterday, actually no, not yesterday. It was the 26th. Friday, we retested that 12. As of now, I don't know. It's not looking too strong here at 10. I don't want to test that support. I do not want to test that support. GameStop is still holding. It's like what? There's no point in that. I'm gonna start making my own articles. If you invested in GameStop at market open, here's how much you've had now. What? That's Pete Fintel. Let me see. 1.8 mil for AMC. Let's check GameStop. 150K. Oh, it bounced off a 1004. All right, 188. It looks like we have the 5 here coming. It's coming. Here comes the bounce. Need to break past 188 here. 188. Don't get rejected off the EMA. All right, testing EMA 188. Let's hope for that reversal. Maybe a potential cup and handle back to 195 on the one. That's what I want to see. Yeah, Roaring Kitty, where has he been? He hasn't tweeted. Play the banger. This is all caused due to the song we played earlier, the Jim Cramer song. So at 12, guys, usually when we go power hour, live power hour is when the conference or event starts with third bridge for GameStop. So I'm excited for that. I'm very excited for that. I saw that Williams, Kathy Wood's new space ETF debuted today. Space exploration, right? Let's see, space Tuesday, yes. Has Jordan Belfort tweeted? Let me see. I think he tweeted yesterday about having lawyers or something like that. Having lawyers. All right, there comes the bounce. 188. Testing one more time on the 5. Here we go. Break above. We've been having some really weird chart patterns on GameStop and AMC, guys. Very odd patterns. What's going on, Eve? Welcome back. He hasn't tweeted. His last tweet was yesterday at 5:40 p.m. Pacific. I hope, 13 hours ago. I hope they've got good lawyers on the Old Town Road. Just saying. Elon tweeted WPF to the moon. We're set. That's all we need. Let's see. Yeah, Twitter has been pretty quiet lately. All right. Hey, on the bright side, Ecor's back, right? What's the volume looking like right now? Alrighty, there we go. Here we go. That's exactly what we're looking for. Rebounds. It's um 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, Kenny. Lil Nas got sued by Nike. I didn't like the shoes they made. Mm, doesn't sit right with me. But let's not talk about that right now. Let's not talk about that. Tesla 596. Yeah, I have my other at 580s or something. I'm not gonna touch it or look at it anymore. – 189. All right, we're above on the 5. Again, beautiful uptrend. Beautiful uptrend. I like it. I like it. Cup and handle on the 1, yes. I would say so, yes. To the 194. This is where we need to hit. Cup and handle completion at 194. Now we're just waiting for that on AMC. We're still seeing that resistance there. Is options expiring Thursday? Yes, Thursday. Weeklies expire on Thursday. Why, Ernie? Get ready to take a big gulp of water. Morning, Smiley. Good morning. Good morning. It's nice to see you back in here. How did Top Shot go yesterday? I need to change my email. I'm not receiving any emails. It's like they took me off the list. Maybe I need to check my spam folder. GameStop, what are you doing? That's what it was, Gabriel. The song, the Kramer song. Yeah, Victor. We were peeping at Kramer's Twitter earlier. He was talking about the team that GameStop is assembling, the dream team, heavy hitters, as I like to call them. Yeah, there's been a lot of talks about that, the market crash. All right, here comes AMC. Maybe 1035 SMA test. 1027's on the 5 for EMA. I'll see you later, Rick. Yeah, they're all over the place, man. Andy, all over the place. Jordan Belfort just tweeted 5 seconds ago, "We are first." He tweeted, "Rally, rally." That's all he tweeted. Rally. I was before you, Jen. You're always before me, but got you this time. All right, 187 still for GameStop. We're still waiting for that bounce. Still waiting on the 5. I'd rather have it close above 180 today. Once again, let's close above 180. The wolf is coming, absolutely. Oh, JT, I appreciate that. 8 from Toronto, Canada. There we go. Tesla 597. You guys love me. See me in pain, huh? You guys love trolling me with that Tesla price. The trolls are here, guys. The trolls are here. Uh, let's go. Let's see what kind of replies he got on his tweet. AMC, AMC. Nothing but AMC replies. Love to see that. Shout out to Molly. RKT might bounce again today. I don't know how I feel about RKT actually, guys. I don't think I'd hop in this. I know that Tesla is the pain. Disca, how are we doing on Disca? No bounce, no aggressive. Oh, this might be it. This might be it. Should we hop in? I'm so tempted. This might be the reversal. I hope this is not the reversal. If it is, and if I miss it, I'm gonna be disappointed. What's the other one? Viacom. Same thing. I'll have my alerts on this one. Back to AMC. Double bottom at 1004. Let's not double bottom. Let's not test 10 again. I appreciate that, Eve. I truly do. Good vibes all around. I would agree, Casper. I would agree, consolidation. I don't use VWAP. Only EMA, SMA. Keep it simple. Follow my gut. You just got into Disca. Don't make me FOMO, man. Don't make me join you. As I'm really, I want to pull the trigger. I mean, what even is this? Like, look at this rebound. No way. Reddit made it. This is so true. Responsible retail idiot whose risky trade is dangerous. I mean, look at the 4 hour. This is just screaming cup and handle. How's Visa? There's another one we bought. Visa. Slightly red. GameStop. We're not seeing the bounce, guys. Molly Stong's dono will. Thank you. I appreciate the dono. When I say head and shoulders, I mean the shampoo. Absolutely. This is exactly what I don't like the whole number test, guys, especially at 10 here on AMC. Good morning, Rafiki. Yeah, we're still in this range on the 1 hour, 4 hour actually. It's more apparent. 12 resistance, support right around 950s. Still bouncing around there. So I hate to see this come down to test that support. Obviously, I don't like AMC testing support. It seems to slide under as we did here on 10 at $10 and then to 995. And we're still here at 996. So let's see where we find some support. GameStop with a triple bottom at 185. Dar says he just threw a grand into Viacom. There's that triple bottom. 184. If you look on the 5-minute and zoom out slightly, you still see the uptrend. I'd be worried if GameStop does come down under like 177, maybe even 175. Let's hold the line. Hold the line. Hold that uptrend. These higher lows. Let's go. Ascending triangle. Usually GameStop does a good job bouncing off the lows. Let's see. As you can see here, it's a triple bottom. As for AMC, all it takes is the double bottom and it comes on down. 992 still pulling back. I'm gonna try to go Ernie this Friday, maybe even the weekend. Godzilla Kong this weekend. Yep. I'm ready. I'm excited for that GameStop call later on the event with Third Bridge. I'm really looking forward to that. And it's so perfect. It starts right when we go live for Power Hour. I'm still waiting for my email, guys. I'm refreshing my email. I still have yet to receive anything. Maybe somebody via Reddit, I don't know, is probably gonna have access to that, hopefully. If you guys know anybody that does have access to that, right now, I'd appreciate if you guys were to share the info, the data. I'm gonna throw in the Discord, guys, in the chat, plugging in the Discord. If you guys have any other articles you want me to take a look at, any DD, any info, feel free to throw it in there. I greatly appreciate that. You guys helped me out tremendously. Did you check your junk mail folder? Yes, even spam, everything. Look at this GameStop with the triple bottom 184 game. That's what GameStop does a good job at. If it does indeed pull back, it'll bounce. It'll bounce off the lows. Triple bottom at 184. It does not go out without a fight. That's what I'm trying to say. It does not leave without a fight. 801 never forget. Absolutely. That day was insane. The 801 close. Five. Absolutely not, Bill. Absolutely not. All right, if GameStop is not going to sink under 184, it has to push back up to 189. We need that reversal. I don't like these lower lows here on the one. Never forget, man. 801. Let's go. Wait, what?
Good morning, everybody. I took up a little bit of a new hobby and I'm kind of interested in day trading. So last week I bought some stock in AMC. I bought it at about $15 a share. I've been waiting for the dip, and this morning we're down to $11.51, so I snatched up some more. Over the weekend, theaters opened in California, and they have been selling out all show times. People on YouTube are saying that this could be the next GameStop, and they're predicting that shares could go for $2,000 a share. Some people say $1,000. Either way, I am ready to hold and take it to the moon.
All right. 1978. What? All right, cracked 184. Let's see that bounce. I don't. Ah, before the event, still holding that trend, still testing that trend line, guys. Sounds like Ralph's presidential campaign. On the five, we're testing. We're testing. Bounce, baby, bounce. Come on. $980s. Oh, look at that 15. I don't like that 5 as well. Are we just red on the 5? 3 red on the 5. Here comes the GameStop bounce. Like always, as it pulls back on the new low, it'll immediately try to bounce. Does not go out without a fight. It's stuck at 183. It's not ticking. This video is not from 1978. That's the question, Summer. That's what I'm thinking. She's a day trader. That wouldn't be considered a day trader. Absolutely not. Someone sent that in the Discord, by the way. That's where you can find that video. Oh gosh, guys, Nasdaq is sinking. The overall market is sinking. Down 1.2%. 1.25 on Nasdaq. SPY also just went red. All right, I'm gonna do it. Tesla, okay, reversal 598. Let's check the heat map. Mixed. There's no sign of a reversal, a strong reversal just yet on AMC after we cross down under 1036 for the EMA on the day here. Ford is green. This is what we're waiting for, that reversal above this trend line here, guys. So what we're waiting for. GameStop pulled back to 182, down from 184. Looks like it's trying to bounce here. We're waiting for that reversal now. Disca is gapping up. Don't make me get FOMO. I think I still could possibly swoop up some shares. If it breaks past 45, maybe in 48, it's gonna possibly fly back to 57. That's the technical bounce I'm looking for. Oh, we're still not seeing the bounce, guys. We are still not seeing the bounce here on GameStop. AMC, we're bouncing slightly, but I wouldn't necessarily call that a reversal just yet. And that's what we're waiting for, the reversal. These bounces are small, but not as aggressive as I wanted to. 182, 182 double bottom. Here we go. Let's see if we bounce. Very slow on GameStop, guys. We're not seeing that bounce. Look at this. It looks like it's halted at times. Mm. What's up, hey man? Oh, very low volume. What's the volume, guys? Anyone have the volume on hand? All right, still bouncing off 182. Like always, GameStop does not go out without a fight for that bounce. We're testing EMA one more time on the one. Let's wait for that crossover. We've been having that resistance for 20 minutes on the EMA for GameStop. Not crossed above just yet. $15 mil. Wait. For AMC, right? Yeah, 15.3 and then GameStop 6.2. What was the volume yesterday for GameStop? Like 8 million? And the last time we had that type of volume, we tanked. We tanked hard on that volume last time. That was yesterday. And yesterday we stayed flat. Yeah, Project. I've noticed that too. The pattern is repetitive on GameStop and AMC. We've seen this pattern a lot of times. The push at open, and then here comes the pullback, and then the EMA resistance all along, and then when we end the stream, it reverses. And that happened yesterday too. When we ended the stream, we had that dip midday, right around when did we end this? Around here, 8:50. We ended it early at 8:30 because we were doing some DD, so 30 minutes before, and then we had that reversal. Very funny. It happens most of the times, and we're seeing that same thing again today. Push out open, pulls back, EMA struggle, EMA resistance, which is literally what we're seeing right now here, 183 for GameStop, and for AMC lower highs as well. We've seen this. This happens all the time. Very interesting. Matt, about more AMC on the dip total. Let's go, Matt, with the dono coming through again. Matt, you don't have to donate, brother. You guys do not have to donate. However, I do appreciate the dono. More giveaways coming. What should we do for 20K, guys? For 20K. Jonathan, we're pretty much waiting for the event later with Third Bridge. GameStop held back a lot of the plans that they were going to have this year for the e-com transformation. It wasn't really clear, in my opinion, about what measures they were going to take to go e-commerce. So I think this is what they were waiting for. It might be today, and that happens 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. A Jamer giveaway. I would never give away Jamer, aka his real name. His his real name was what? Private Ham. Private Ham. Who tweeted Roaring Kitty? Let's go. He did not tweet. Elon must tweeted. He says he's donating 20 million. I should give away a board C on WPF. I don't know why I never get his notifications. Oh, there we go. It came in. Here we go. Let's play this.
Ten ought to do it, don't you think? You think we need one more? You think we need one more? All right, we'll get one more. 10 ought to do it, don't you think?
10 ought to do it, don't you think? What does it mean? Ten ought to do it, don't you think? We need one more. You like it? I don't know. I don't know what it means. I'm looking at all the replies and it's just insane. All right, new Elon Musk tweet. That's what I call the Elon pump right there. 604, back above 600. Let's go. They're just going talking about adding to their crew. That's what I had that. Is talking about the directors, right? The team they're building? Maybe, maybe. 11 million floor, 10 is the new floor. Yeah, AMC's fighting for 10. Trying to peep the bid in the ask. Kenneth Griffin. Definitely not Kenneth Griffin.
look, I think it.
Saying he's on AMC. No, you guys are confusing the stonks. Yeah, I'm excited for that, Jen. Literally right when we start Power Hour. Here we go. Hey, you never know. He might have some AMC too. You just don't know. You just don't know. What's your theory? Let me hear it. Let me hear it, Diamond Hands. Let me hear it. GameStop 186. This is what I was talking about. Every single pullback we have on GameStop, it tends to just catch itself and try to reverse and bounce. That's what I like. It's making some magic right now. Yeah, we're waiting for that reversal. So we're testing the EMA one more time on the 5. That's where we always have the struggle on the 5-minute EMA. Even on the 1 for AMC, that EMA. It can be your friend when we have strong days and it balances off of that, or it could be your enemy, resistance on days like these where it pulls back. Games AMC back at 10:01. There we go. I zoomed in. Disca. Please don't tell me Disca just broke out. Oh, my FOMO, man. But via common discovery, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I thought we would see more pressure on the downside and possibly maybe new lows, and cheaper entry. I guess not. I guess the stonk is leaving without me. But let's be patient. Give it some time. Guys, I'm checking my email. I'm just refreshing it every 5 seconds. There's no link for that freaking call. Oh, yeah, I forgot BlackBerry has earnings today. After hours. Yeah, I'm usually pretty good at controlling the FOMO, so you know what? Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. AMC holding 10. Let's go. 186 for GameStop above EMA. All right, here comes. Here comes GameStop. Let's try to reverse. Let's try to reverse. My double top here at 188. Tesla looking strong. Yep. Elon's tweeting. That's called the Elon pump right there. SpaceX tweets. You think GameStop's going to be sideways into the Power Hour announcement? This holding at this level, guys, trading sideways at 186 definitely beats trading sideways yesterday at 180. Would you guys agree? Trading at a higher level of support. Huge win. That's a win in my eyes. That's a win. Elong. I'm just saying that because I don't think some people realize that or see that yet, you know? Just throwing that out there. What's up, Kevin? You know what I'm gonna ask you, Kevin. You know exactly what I'm gonna ask you, Kevin. Disca is still going. Fuel my FOMO, baby. Fuel it, Tim. Fuel it. Still at 45. Nick, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for Viacom and Discovery. Patience. I wouldn't catch Bidu or Baidu. So far on the bounce. Oh, this is exactly the dead cat play. This is where I think the money's at. Catching the dead cat. This kid's leaving. Kevin, you knew Tom is in Tampa right now. He better come through today for GameStop. We have that event with Third Bridge later, man. We definitely need Tom Brady to come through. Am I always saying things wrong? Viacom or Viacom? I speak Ralph, man. I should start my own language. Tesla, Jamer. What time is the presentation? 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, bilingual live. Money talks. According to the radio this morning, Tom Brady is in Costa Rica. Really? He better be coming through, man. Ralphacom, Rafiki, 10:01 still, guys. Look at the ask at 10:02 for AMC. Tesla. What are the odds, man? Elon just changes the name from Tesla to Tesla. Bye bye, Discatrain. Oh, FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. I cannot look at that chart. I cannot look at that chart tick up. What I can see is breakout here at 10:04 for AMC. Let's get that reversal. Let us. That's what we're waiting for. 200, which we broke out 202 here at market open, and then the next level of resistance being at $202. I mean 220. 220 is the next resistance after that. Oh, GameStop. All right, I'll let you GameStop. I'll let you consolidate. I will let you consolidate. I'll let you. AMC is showing a descending triangle. Correct, Steven. On the 1 minute, this is more than a descending triangle. This is very aggressive pullback. EMA resistance. We caught it. We caught itself. Caught itself here on 976. $10 is still holding above 10 at 10:05. GameStop is where we are consolidating sideways. Not much more of an aggressive pullback that we see here on AMC. It's not there on GameStop. It's sideways. Consolidation. I appreciate that, Bill. Good luck. Be safe. And I will see you later, hopefully. Come on, Rob. Make AMC behave. AMC needs to bounce, man. On the 5, we're testing that EMA here. This is day trader paradise right here. 978 bounce. Catch that. Sell here at 10:07. That's profit. So let's wait to see if we get rejected there. Let's remove this trend line and let's wait. I forgot about T-Cat. I am too, William. It's a patience game at this point. It's patience. Hmm. It's a slow stepper for sure. And with these walls, man, look at that 10-10 wall. Slow stepper. I'm gonna run to the bathroom really quick. Jamer, chair pump. Here we go. We are back. Let's go. Let's go. All right, did Jamer behave or what? Jamer, you pumping them stonks? 187 again for GameStop. I'm actually happy, guys. I'm really happy with the consolidation going on today. Of course, we might be flat, we might be sideways, we might have pulled back from 202 down to 187, but I'm happy with the consolidation. We're trading above the level we were yesterday. That's a win in my books. We have the event coming on later. Let's go. Tesla is now green. Absolutely. Elon Musk has been tweeting. That's called the Elon pump. Echo pump. My 2-year-old daughter heard Ralph talking and she said diamond hands. Oh, that's amazing. Guys, sorry about the audio yesterday for the video. It was very weird. I don't know what happened with my mic. I'm telling you, man, Kramer's finding his way through my system or something. Activate Windows key hasn't been working. I don't know why. I need to fix all of that. It was sounding very weird. I need to fix that too. Archie goes, his website is down. Let's take a look. Mark, it's on the level 2. On the level 2. Does not lie. The bid and the ask. You see this? These walls at 1008. Basically when you see BS and AS, it literally just means bid size and ask size. 188. Do I call this a reversal? Do you guys think this is the reversal here? I think if we hit 190s, I think the reversal is confirmed. All right, let's go. Let's see it. Don't double top here. 189. That's the next level of resistance. We're still waiting for that 194 cup and handle completion on the 1 minute. Here we go. Tesla's at 615. That's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go. Tesla. Bill Gates knows you're in Tesla. That's why your key won't work. MVIS. I've analyzed this chart before. I have trend lines on here on the 4. We bounced off of the trend line here, the first initial time here at 1060, at 1050. Again, I'm not surprised. These half-dollar marks bounced to 18, failed to hold the $14 support. As of now, it is under that trend line. It seems to me like if we have a push on this, it might be to 1274. I don't necessarily see that big enough of a cushion for a trade. So I'll probably pass on MVIS. MVIS is tanking. Trey not happy. Is Trey on MVIS? I thought he was on uh what's the one we covered in the morning? MVIS. Sends. This one's even worse, I believe. I mean, if he's trading it off of fundamentals, I don't know what his game plan is. By all means, go for it. If he believes in it, go for it. But on the 1 minute, it's literally barcode city. I don't like that. And you're talking, me and Trey are very like opposites, I believe. He's way more of a fundamental trader than he is technical, I would say. And I'm the opposite. I'm way more technical than I am fundamental. So I'm sorry, Trey, but MVIS, I don't necessarily like the 4 hour what's going on right now. Obviously, if you look at the bigger picture, uptrend, beautiful uptrend. But as for a day trade, for maybe a potential 2 to 3 day swing trade, I would pass. Yeah, he's long. I don't think he's day trading this, by the way, or swing trading it. So hopefully the MVIS goes to the moon. Hopefully it rockets up and he makes a ton of cash. He likes certain stocks for their fundamentals, but he sticks to technicals when day trading. Absolutely. See, that's the thing. That's it. That's the plan. Holding on for fundamentals. If you're day trading, go for technicals. Whatever your plan is, double down on what's working. That's all I gotta say, man. Double down on what's working. And I've always just been tech, super technical. If you scroll back here on this channel, I have videos from like 3, 4 years ago. So cringy, man, to watch my videos. The other day I scrolled back, I'm like, what? And just straight up looking at technicals, just patterns, cup and handles, head and shoulders, ascending triangles, descending triangles. It's bull flags, bear flags. It's crazy. And that's what's worked. So double down. Throw away the Kramer song, right? Yeah, Tesla is hiring 300 jobs in the Austin area for the Gigafactory, I believe, too. That happened yesterday. I think we talked about that yesterday. I'm not sure. Might have the numbers wrong too. They are cringe, Selena. I look back at my old videos, I'm like, Trey is very TA forward. He's always questioning the data on his videos. One of the reasons I follow. Yeah, go follow him, guys. Go make sure you check out his channel, Trey's Trades. Check him out. I bought 1 share of GameStop. Where's my Lambo? Where's Lambo? With Doja on this. What's Doja at, guys? It was at 5 on Sunday when we took a peep. I wasn't willing to buy a 5. I got clapped on Doja already. I'm kind of scared to touch it again. Uh, uh, Chawa says, guys, starting to realize nobody has a crystal ball. Lost count of how many have said this stock will be this price by this day, and this does not happen. That's why I don't like putting dates, and I don't want to put prices on. I don't want to say, hey, this is going to be on this price at this date. I just give you my opinion on what I think and what I see. Again, I don't have the crystal ball. I love going off of technicals, even on just on the 4 hour. We've been bouncing around on AMC, resistance at 12, support right around 950s. GameStop above yesterday's level consolidation. Trading sideways, yes. Almost nearly flat on the day, yes. But you got to just keep a look at the bigger picture. I have no date. I'm still gonna hold. To me, these dates, these squeezes, is gonna happen this day. This day doesn't really matter. It's nice. It's nice to see it. It's nice to read it. It's nice to acknowledge it. But I'm still gonna hold. So yeah, nobody has a crystal ball. I kind of don't like when the videos come out saying, "Oh, it's gonna happen this day. This is the price it's gonna be at," but you can't really, no one really knows. Are you ever gonna hook up with Trey? I don't know what you mean by that. Hopefully you meant like a video. We were supposed to, yes. I've emailed him. We've emailed each other too, so he hops in every now and then. But I think he's having eye with his eye problem. So hopefully health first, man. Health first. That's why we end the streams in an hour or so. I try to go get a workout, get other things done. I like getting up, stretching. You guys too. If you guys are on the screen looking at computers, candles, crayons the entire day, it's not healthy for you. Get up, stretch, do some push-ups, give me some sit-ups. Your health comes first. There's no. Yeah, that's for my OnlyFans content, guys. Not YouTube, not YouTube. Um, Tina, I have Visa as well. I'm trying to hop in VIAC to Etsy. I don't have Etsy. Anyone here have Etsy? Etsy reminds me of Chipotle for some reason. I do not know why. Such a juggernaut of a pattern on the 4 hour. I think that's what it is. Look at this 4 hour, beautiful. If you look at CMG, Chipotle, same thing. That's why I think that's where I get the correlation from. That's why I see Etsy and Chipotle. I don't even know why I didn't buy Chipotle, man. It's like if you consume a product every day, wouldn't it make sense to buy the stock? Good old Rafiki Buffett style of investing. That's not the move. That's not the way. Who needs health when you get a Lambo? That's not the way. I promise you, the Lambo's not going to bring you any happiness for long. I promise you that, 100%, without a doubt. I'm working out later this evening, chest and buys, baby. What's your split? Chest buys? My favorite thing is legs. To hit legs, workout legs is my favorite thing, I would say. Leg day. Never skip leg day. Yeah, health cannot be bought back with money. Celebrity Stonk Streamer Boxing Championship. Raw versus Trey. What's with all these boxing matches coming up out of nowhere too? You got Mayweather and or what's his name? Mayweather, right? With Logan Paul. All this it's crazy too. That it's crazy how the demand is there. That blows my mind. We're living in a different time. One Lambo equals all the LA girls. No comment on that. His favorite thing is legs. Ladies, remember that. What? Leg days are the best. Ralph, what do you like a better, Aventador or Huracan? Huracan all the way. Aventador is too much it's the thing. Here's the thing. If you guys want, if you guys are, oh, I'm gonna get a Lambo. I want a Lambo. It's such a process to drive. You don't understand how annoying it is to have to hold up a line to pull into a gas station because you have to stop. You have to lift up the car. You have to wait 5 seconds. You have to slowly slant it, drive in. It's just so annoying. And plus, it gets super hot. It gets really hot. The engine is behind you. It's a bumpy ride. It's loud. I felt nauseous at points. I feel nauseous. Like I just it's too aggressive sometimes. But Huracan is more. It's very different than the Aventador. I like the Huracan. Mayweather won't fight Logan Paul. I believe he is. I mean, money talks, man. It's I forgot how much he's paying. He's getting paid. GameStop still consolidation 185 trading sideways, finding some support. Slight resistance here 189, almost a double top after the small spike here after the bounce. We're not seeing that reversal just yet, but of course consolidation is not bad. Keep that in mind. Consolidation is not bad. 10, 11 still. We're holding 10 for AMC. Yeah, Joseph, good point. Guys, keep in mind whatever money you make, capital gains taxes. There's short-term capital gains, there's long-term capital gains. There's a lot of things you have to know about taxes. I hate taxes. A Hellcat. Aren't all Lambos manual? No. A Hellcat, red eye, wide body, 797 horsepower. How do you explain the same charts day in, day out for the last few weeks? I don't know what you mean by that. You mean we're looking at the same stock every single day? Is that what you mean? There's too many Lambos and Ferraris and McLarens out there. Yeah, it's too common out here. No, you know what it is too in Huntington? What you see there everywhere you go, even Santa Monica, Teslas everywhere you go, man. Teslas left and right. Sundial? No, I'm not touching it. No more sundial for me, actually, guys. I think I said I wasn't possibly rebuy under one, but I don't know. Absolutely, a Tesla Model S was definitely smoke a Lambo in the quarter. Teslas left and right, yeah. Literally, you'll be turning at a red light, right? Or say, assume you're going left, and there'll be like four Teslas lined up. Telling you, if I ever get a Model X, which I probably would, I'm gonna get that plate Tesla, and that's it. That's the only car you need, a Tesla with the plate that says Tesla. Slap an AMC logo on the left side, on the right side, the Gamestop logo, and to the moon on the back. That's a spaceship. That's literally a spaceship. SNDL, that's the thing with SNDL. I haven't taken a peep at it, but I'm pretty sure if I pull it up right now, it's gonna be Barcode City. How did I know? Barcode City, the momentum is not there anymore. No room for profit. Are you guys seen this? Look at the ask at 116. These walls are huge. Santa Barbara all Prius. The Prius is too, man. They're everywhere. Yeah, it's a smiley. I agree. Massive consolidation right now going on right now. What we are witnessing here on AMC and GameStop. Sundial loves the barcodes. I don't, so I'm not trading it, Dante. I'm avoiding. When you fart in a Tesla, the sound is multiplied times 10. It's really quiet. You don't hear anything. That's the thing. You know, you could make like guys. Hear this out. We used to have a Model S, right? The Tesla Model S, and a client wanted it. He wanted to rent the Model S. The thing about the renting out the Model S is, or any electric vehicle, you have to charge it, man. You have to charge the Tesla. I remember going to Burbank to the charging station where all the Teslas were at. You have to wait there, you have to charge it, and then giving it to the client, right? And there's a little trick. You know how you guys could Elon install like these funny features in the Tesla? Yeah, you could play, I guess you could play like Mario Kart or something like that. So there's a feature where you can make the car fart. Like if you're gonna change lanes, right, and use your turning signal, it can make a farting sound. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it to my client like this. I'm gonna have it fart. So I gave it to him like that, and sure enough, later on he's like, "Yo, bro, why is a car farting?" I'm like, "What do you mean farting?" He's like, "Yeah, I'm using the turning signals and the car's farting." It was just one of the funniest things ever to me at that moment. I remember dying so hard. And this other time, guess what happened? You know how it has the self-driving, right? Basically put an autopilot, you could kick back, car drives itself. He thought he thought he had that activated. So I forgot how you activate it. I think you press it up twice. You press one of the freaking bar up twice on the right side. You press it up twice, and it's an autopilot. And he thought he had it on autopilot, and it wasn't. He's like, "Yo, bro, I almost got in a car accident. The car wasn't driving by itself." He thought he had it on autopilot, and it wasn't an autopilot. He just can you imagine that? Uh, so crazy. That's what you have to explain how to drive these cars. I don't think I ever explained to him how to put an autopilot. Activate autopilot, he didn't. That too, that's the thing, Ryan. There's no sound. There's nothing like hearing the engine roar. I have some CCIV, I forgot. Yes, I haven't taken a look at CCIV actually. 22, yeah, we're still around 22. I don't even want to think about that, Heath. I do not want to think about that. That's the ultimate simulation. Being in a Tesla, checking the stonk, and trading it while driving a Tesla. GMBL is horrible. No momentum. Which one was the other one? SLGG? Hmm. Hmm. 185 still. Guys, we're pretty much flat. We're sideways. Again, not complaining, but there's not a lot of action. I'm trying to grab some, Kevin. I'm trying to grab some. I'm still getting approved for my crypto account, Voyager. So hopefully by the weekend. Consolidation Mason above 10 on AMC and 180s on GameStop. How much are the oil changes on a Tesla? I'm a smooth brain, but I'm not that much of a smooth brain. Thanks for not having pay to join chat. I appreciate that. I believe it should. I believe the YouTube chat should be free. Like it doesn't make sense to me. Jordan Buffer tweeted, "Let's go." Is he pumping? Let's see what he tweeted. Get money, everyone. Get money, everyone. You know what that means? Get G money M everyone E GME. Clever, clever. The Discord's also free. Yes, I'm unplugging the Discord right now. GameStop 185. I was barely catching on to that in your base when he first started tweeting about AMC. I forgot what he tweeted about AMC. What was it? I forgot what he had put. Oil Tesla cost just time. Marbles, everyone. I don't know, Jen. I do not know. I think he said this next week. I don't know. It's gonna be a phone call though. It's not gonna be live. I think it's better like that. Yeah, he's using all my choice. That's what it was. All my choice. AMC. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Almost making cash. I don't think it was that. I think it was all my choice. BJ Sam, I can't answer that. Do you think GameStop will have an end of the month push? Watching these charts is like watching a Tesla fully charge. What platform is everyone using for crypto? I just signed up via Voyager. Voyager. I have Coinbase, but you guys recommended me to Voyager. Coinbase, I'm trying to catch the IPO on Coinbase and during the summer. It was that a modest chunk. All my choice and a modest chunk. Wait, what? No, I'm barely starting to get into crypto, guys. Crypto's for the weekends. It's for the weekend. So, love Voyager. Do you own Doge? I had Doge and I got completely clapped. Telling you, every time I sell something, it's gonna fly. I sold Doge and it flew to 8 cents. The Super Bowl weekend. I FOMO'd that dirty. I remember that the Doge. I was like, you know what? It's Friday. GameStop was rallying. People are gonna get that itch to trade something. They're gonna go to Doge over the weekend. It's gonna fly. It did not. 3 p.m. Eastern when? Oh, for the event with Third Bridge for GameStop? Yes, 3 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Pacific. Literally right when we start Power Hour, right when we come back for the stream. Let us go. Let's go. Disco? You mean Disca? Disco train? Hopefully it pulled back and it did not take off without me. Pulled back, but it looks like it's gonna retest these highs. GameStop still consolidation at 187. We're waiting for that triple breakout here, 188, 90s. That midday resistance and the Copenhagen completion here, 194. That's what we're waiting for. Who here has ADA? Yeah, we're crabbing sideways. We are crabbing. You have not missed the GameStop meeting, Justin. Nope. I got 88. Yup, yup, yup. The Disco train. Don't leave without me. Arby's roast beef, 5 for 10. Wait, what? 5 for 10? I'm a sucker for a good deal, but what is that? 5 for 10? 5 sandwiches? Medium. I got 41,000 worth of disco calls when you said you weren't buying. I'm up 4,000 so far. Thanks, Ralph. I appreciate that. Congrats on the win. I mean, I don't think you've sold, right? Have you locked in some profits on that? I mean, don't follow my advice, guys. That's the thing here. I think you should say I'm not a financial advisor on the top right. I'm not a financial advisor. I just like songs. Ralph, Ralph, enough. You're slowly dying. I've never felt more alive, brother. I've never felt more alive. I did not ask who has ADD. I said who has ADA. 100 Tesla 610, 4-1 calls and closed at half once I was up 100K in 10 minutes. So I got 50 of them. He did not say that, Darth. I don't believe that. There's no way. I need to see a clip of that. I'll pay for that NFT. Someone send me that link. I'm gonna plug in the Discord. Someone send me that link. I need to see that. I need to see that. Send me that. When I was trading with a few hundred or few thousand dollars, it was fun, but all now is just too easy having more than a million. Just like you always have buying power. There's just levels. There's levels. If you're not disciplined with $1,000 in your trading account, you're not going to be disciplined with 100K. It just doesn't make sense. If you can't manage 1K, what makes you think you'll be able to manage 100K? You know what I mean? It's the same thing. It's just a different. Your profit and loss is literally going to be magnified. Different levels, more emotions to handle. So discipline, discipline. I can't find that link. Let me see. Where's that link at? Ten 01 again. Testing. Gamestop consolidation continues. No, I'm still getting approved though. In your base, I'm getting approved. Talks about sends and the gaps up 7%. I still wouldn't touch it. I still would not touch it. I need to see a clip, man. Show me that clip. I'm not seeing anything. I'm checking Discord. It's not here. Dare to share. Same summer, summer Coinbase IPO. I don't usually like touching IPOs. Roblox, Airbnb, DoorDash. Mm. Welcome back, Ivan. The orange jumpsuit. Morning, Joskies. Good morning. Welcome back. 10:05 still, guys. We caught ourselves here at 976 after that bounce. We're consolidating midday as well for GameStop. We have the event coming on later, Power Hour, 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. Tom Brady is coming through. I do not agree with that, David. GameStop is being boring these days. I prefer it to go down sharply. No. Eddie, who is Tom Brady? He's a basketball player. Come on, man. What is it, Tom Brady? He's the best basketball player in the NHL. He's the best basketball player in the NHL. He was the first ape on the moon. Let's see. I forgot we have one Weeble share, guys, to unpack. Should we wait for Power Hour? Kramer tweeted. All right, let's see it. Let's see Kramer. I can't turn on his alerts. Why? He didn't even tweet. WPF unboxing now. How are you guys so confident it's a WPF? What if it's like a Tesla? Berkshire Hathaway. Yeah, they've all been WPF. All of them. Actually, no, I've got two Snapchat shares. They've been nice. They've been nice. They've been kind, but for the most part, they're a blessing us still. It's a blessing in disguise, man. It's a blessing in disguise. Because WPF one day it's gonna open at $100. I'm telling you, it's gonna rocket up. We all know your fate. Fintel, let's take a look. Let's take a look if they updated us. Yes, 1.4 mil for AMC as of 19 minutes ago. 2.05 fee. Take a look at GameStonk. GameStonk, 19 minutes ago, 100K with the fee of what, under one? Ah, exactly one. Of course, I don't believe any of this is just for guidance, guys. Keep in mind, it's just useful to tracking supply and demand. Small sample. WPF for the one. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. You guys want to help me on my journey to become WPF CEO? Check that first thing down below. That rhymes. 1007. Pinto is just as useful as the Motley Fool. Maybe that free share will be a share of Disca. If that's the case, baby, I'm going all in. Who is the current CEO of WPF? I forgot his name. WPF is down 0.89% today. WPF CEO. Sam Downey. Ralph, I think. Alrighty, GameStop still sideways consolidation mode till later on. You guys think we stay flat till later? Or we might possibly double bottom, maybe even break out midday once again. Completion of cup and handle 184. AMC still above 10. I call that a dub. I call that a win. You can you can tell a lot about someone by their Arby's order. 5 roast beef for $10 says I'm a great orderer. I think for me that'd be I'm just a smooth brain man. I love good deals. I'm a sucker for good deals. Tesla is at 622. Yes, baby, come back. Come back. Look at this. Tesla. Tesla up 2% today. They're coming back for me. I'm stuck at 677. A Twizzler. Let's see. Let's see. Absolutely not. I'd rather eat Arby's than eat licorice. All right, here comes GameStop out of nowhere. This promising green count, the 187 midday spike, or just another retest of that SMA rejection resistance. What do you guys think? What do you think? All right, 188. Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, might be a triple top once again. 189. Let's retest that resistance. Guys, I'm like desperately checking my email every like 5 seconds. Can you get an eToro account so I could copy your trades? Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Do not do that. All right, seems like this midday triple top here, 189 is happening, occurring right now. Is this the reversal? Usually, I'm telling you, when we end the streams, we get a reversal. Candy corn and circus peanuts, man. I'd rather shave my head and eat an onion with Jose sauce than do that. 189, there we go. Triple top resistance. We're testing, we're testing. Here we go. 10:08 AMC. Interesting. I just literally read your comment, let us about Neo, and I just got my alert on Neo. What an interesting. I'm telling you, the universe. It's a sign I should hop in Neo. I feel like I'm missing these plays. They're just slipping in between my fingers. Tesla 627. All right, let's go. Yeah, we're waiting for that 190 break. I think the key here is just holding above 190. There's really no such thing as just testing and pulling back. We need to hold. That's what we're hoping for, holding above 190. Ten, the wall's there on AMC. You feel something coming? All right, back to 189.82. You guys think we close above 190 on this candle or pull back? So that's at a 700 this week. What's up, Israel? Welcome back. Welcome back. Coming back at a pretty interesting time during the day, guys. It's consolidation, and we're seeing some slight movement here midday. Honestly, a very odd time of day to be spiking, but better than pulling back. That's what the weekend said too. Disca is still running. It was at what, 45? Still at 45. I brought Gamestop down to 7K from 100K. Let's see. It was 100K on Fintel. I'm refreshing. Is it going to pull down to 75K here on Fintel as well? No, no update on Fintel just yet. Showing 100K for GameStop on Fintel. Swedish fish. That's disgusting. Worst candy out there. I'm telling you, I'd rather eat an onion, man. All right, guys. I think we might end it here, guys. Usually when we end the streams, stonks go up. So hopefully I'm gonna have my alert set here just in case we break out past 191. Have my alerto set here at 10:15 for AMC. We need to do not eat a Swedish fish. Of course, the next event we have going on later on is Power Hour, so you do not want to miss that. I'm still trying to wait for my email. I'm still trying to get access. If there's a will, there's a way, man. I'm gonna find access to that. I'm gonna find access. I should get some. Absolutely not. 46 now, Disca. I don't want to set the alert, man. I don't want to get FOMO. I do not want to get FOMO. Yeah, we'll be back power hour, guys. If you guys are new here, found any value, enjoyed the streams, make sure you take action, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys power hour. Peace out, people. Peace out, traders. Peace out, apes. I'll see you guys later.